So now that you've got yourself a graphics tablet, here's what you do next. Okay, so for today's video, we're going to talk about the graphics tablet, the Wacom tablet that I have here. Wacom, whatever you want to call it. And its usefulness as far as photography, graphic arts, illustration is concerned. And one of the helpful tips that I'd like to share that I discovered along the journey was, being in this industry for almost, oh wow, this is gonna date me, but almost 15 years in the making, I was able to transition from utilizing a mouse for all the digital art uses to a tablet. And all I did was one little trick that I'm gonna share with you momentarily. But I also want to point out that there are other options these days. Right now, if you didn't know, you can use the AstroPad Studio, where you can turn your iPad into a graphics tablet. And I know a couple of people who actually invested in iPad Pros with the Apple Pencil 2, which they utilize on their computer as well. So, but me, I'm pretty old school. I use the Wacom tablet, this one being the Intuos 4S. And I've had this in my arsenal for almost, like 13, 14 years. But yeah, with that being said, I'd like to offer the best tip I can offer for all of you who are new to the graphics tablet business. And it is to hide the mouse. Yes, hide the mouse, guys. One of the hurdles that I've faced utilizing this graphics tablet during those early days was I often found myself, putting this aside and relying on my mouse too much. So after I bought my first Wacom tablet, I often found myself having withdrawal symptoms of having to put this aside and relying on my mouse. But then one day came where I asked myself, like, why am I even buying these tools for my photography where I'm not even using it? So solution, hide the mouse. Honestly, all I did was hide all the mouse peripherals that I had. I honestly will tell you that it helped along the way because it'll rid the temptation. I'm not sure if any other designers out there had the same issues, but I do want to share that that really helped me out transition from mouse to a graphics tablet, which I now use diligently for everything I do on the computer. And that's all there is. All you got to do is hide this little guy and you're good to go. All right. So guys, again, thank you for watching. This is Sito. I will see you next time.